Watching NFL. In today's video, we are going to learn the cheapest ways to watch NFL games live. So let's get started. First, we have Peacock. It still has Sunday Night Football. You just have to wait for Olympic season promos. You can get it for around $20 per year. The next one is Paramount Plus. It streams CBS Sunday games. It is free if you already have Walmart Plus for deliveries. Third one is Prime Video, still on Thursday Night Football. Just subscribe during the season and cancel after. Fourth one is ESPN's new service. Is this the real game changer? You can use it for $29.9 per month or $2.99 per year and gets you ESPN, NFL Network, and RedZone all in one place. No more juggling. Click on NFL Plus just to catch every game. Now, the next one is Local Fox and ABC Games. Now, it uses a $25 HD antenna to provide free, crystal clear, and no subscription is required. Now, out-of-market games, NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV. It requires $500 normally or $199 if you are a student. Netflix now has 2 exclusive Christmas Day games. You might need 1 month of Netflix in December. So that's all. Stack it right, Peacock Promo Plus, Walmart Plus, Prime Video for 4 months plus ESPN plus antenna. It all cost you around $230, and that's how you will save your budget and watch NFL on cheap way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.